This is how to bookmark a website to your home screen. Here's an example right here. If I tap on this, that takes me to Amazon.com. And it's the full Amazon website opened in the Safari app. Even though it doesn't show Safari, it is the Safari app that opens it. And to do that is really simple. Open Safari and then go to any website you want. Let's try YouTube. And then at the bottom, tap on the share button, then scroll down and then tap on add to home screen. And you can give it a unique name if you want. You can't change the URL. You can choose open as web app. If you toggle that off and on, it'll open in Safari or its own web app, which I think is what Amazon did a minute ago, was open as a web app. Tap on add, and now it's on your home screen. Tap on it, and there it is. And then you can delete these just like any other thing on your home screen. Just tap and hold. Context menu will appear. Tap on delete, and it's gone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. If you haven't done that before, you should probably check out that video, and I'll see you there.